Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Dispatch company, model DP8088-GN. Total length is 20.5 cm, blade length is 9.5 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm, blade steel is ACR 13 MOV, the Chinese analog of Japanese AUS 8 steel. It's not bad steel, tempered between 56 to 58 HRC, full felt grind, stone wash finish. On the side is the name of the manufacturer, Dispatch. On the other description, China. Opening with the thumb stud or axis lock. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of green G10, but it's also available in black G10. Profiling significantly increases comfort while working. A stainless steel pocket clip, deep carry type, without any motif. In summary, another good knife from Dispatch company, no blade play or imperfections, very good looking locking mechanics and smooth operation at all. I had benchmark grip tool in the past and I don't feel any major differences in performance. Works really well. The locks puts up are pleasant resistant. As in the case of button lock, you can get addicted to clicking. If you are looking for a nice access lock at a good price, click the link in the description below the video and buy. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.